Thank you guys so much for coming to see another video. Today we are full on Christmas. This look did not look Christmassy until I added the red under eye and the lipstick, and now I'm like extremely excited. I don't know why I'm hyping it up so much this year. I don't know why I'm doing it. I really don't. It makes no sense. If you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So we're gonna go in, of course, none other than our Brazil palette. This Brazil palette I have used so many times on my channel, and it barely looks like I made a dent, and I love that. I love them. I'm gonna take the green color because that's just what my mind is thinking, and we're gonna trust it. We're gonna take our green though out here. You know it's gonna be crazy. Yeah. And yes, I have a little bit of mascara on because I went to work today, and that's just this hustle life that your girl's doing. She's going to work and she's coming home and she's filming videos. So now I'm taking a 506 and I'm going to go into the other green, and I'm going to put it right in the crease just to make it a little more green, because I guess like Grinch is the inspo. Not really, but green is a thing right now because of the Grinch. I'm just taking it like that. I'm going to do a crazy cut crease in just a little bit. Now I'm going to go do my cut crease. I'll be right back. 2 million hours later, we're back. I'm really surprised that they match. I'm really happy. I'm thinking we should line this cut crease with this adorable glitter, of course. Almost all of my glitters come from eBay. Okay, the smaller shimmer glitter comes from eBay. The bigger glitter comes from Michael's. So, in case you're wondering, there we go. I'm just going to place this right in between where the concealer and the eyeshadow meet, right at the cut crease. And I just dip right into my glitter, and then I tap up the excess. Ooh, can you guys see that? Ooh, okay, so watch as I do the rest. So I'm just trying to straighten up this line a little bit and kind of pluck off any extra or excess glitter kind of lower or higher than the line. Okay, finally got our wings on. I feel like everything's taken so long in this video, I don't know why. I put a little bit of that shimmer from the last video into my lid area. I kind of just patted it on because remember last time I put it on too thick, and this time I just patted it on and it seemed to do a lot better. Now it is time to do our inner corner, which I'm going to use from the Kylie palette. I'm going to use the color Marry Me. Let's take our 513 brush and we're just going to take a nude color. So I'm going to take Wife Life and I'm just going to add that to the lower lash line. We're just going to add red to our under eye. As soon as I add the red, I'm like, this is Christmas. Now I'm just adding the darker red color to my lower lash line from the Brazil palette. What is Christmas? To me, it is Jesus' birthday. We think it's his birthday around this time, and we just celebrate it. I honestly believe that's the purpose. That's the purpose I celebrate it for. Now I'm going to put on my lashes from Pink Vanity. For some reason, I found them on Instagram, and this girl's really sweet. She was doing it all herself, you know, just hustling and trying to get all of her orders out, and all of a sudden her Instagram page was deleted. So she made a second page, and now I can't find that one. Alright, while my lash glue dries, I'm going to pop on some white eyeliner because This is the Sugar brand of lipstick. Like, it's the perfect red for me. Like, I feel like it just fits my skin tone. Ooh, hello. Alright, you guys, here's the final look. What do you think? I don't think we could get any more Christmas than this. My heart is full. My red lipstick curse is in full effect, and I have lipstick all over my teeth. Hope you guys like this look. If y'all do, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any requests for the future, let me know. I will see you next time. Bye.
I really hate when like you're expecting a message back from someone and they just like fall asleep. Like, that's the worst. Don't do that to me if you know me. Like, I don't like that.